Hi, in this example we will make this simple stair with some brackets. It has on a round railing. These are brackets from Q-railing, and we will then put also a balustrade on the floor opening. I will also show that we also can put brackets or these bolts up and around the floor opening, but we were hiding it now here. And you see also that these brackets can be placed on the angle where you would like to use it. So here you see the brackets underneath the horizontal railing, and here when it has a pitch. So we start a new project. We could fill in these parameters if we want to print, but in this example I will say, let's say Staircon is the customer, in Staircon way, and then we can show you also something to print. And I say okay. So now in this case the height 120, 40-inch thickness. So we start with a floor opening, and again we can choose here whatever shape. We start with a straight box and then we start editing it. 150 as a length, 80 as a width, and I turn also some extra walls on the next floor, and I say place and create. We place the stair here. So here we can choose whatever stair shape we like. In this case, a straight flight. Maybe I don't want to have a run, but I want to take it exactly as the length of this wall, so that's 150, and maybe we take it 40-inch as a width, and then say place automatically. So now we have our stair. It's taken the no railing glass external housed, and that's exactly the one that we would like to show for now. In the stair properties we can change this front and the back, the dimensions, if it has an end tread or not. And we see here we have now a run of 9.7333 because we wanted to have the total run 150, so that's why it's changed to this number. So everything seems to be how we want it, so I just say okay. You can already have a look in 3D and we will see what we have at this moment and what we want to change. So in this case we don't want to have this wall obviously, so we can click on it and I push delete, so now it's gone. So here we want to make a fillet, so I can go plan view, select here these two lines, make a fillet, let's say 40-inch, so now it's round. And we go to the next floor and I say now create balustrades, apply, okay. So let's look in 3D. So now we have the glass going here on the edge of my floor opening, and we have the brackets going up and around. So basically we are already done with what you just have seen. As I promised, we can also hide things. So also here I can just right click and say I don't want to see the floor opening, I don't want to see the ceiling, I don't want to see the floors. And when I say okay, then it's basically showing the same thing as what you saw before. Just to show you elevation view, here you see I can put some extra lines. Let's say at 3-inch below that, another 4-inch, and I can say function, put in some extra holes, and I can basically just click on the different panels, and then I'm just doing it for these as example. Select here properties of these holes, and we can actually select something out of the library And if I look in 3D, then we will see here our bolts are actually added to it, so it's quite fast and easy to do something like that. As I mentioned, we can also print. So if I go here and I say I want to print, you can put your logo, you can take any layout that you want, and we say print preview. So here you see 2 floors, and here also the railing up and around. We can go to settings and choose another examples, and now you get 1 floor. You see also what is above in gray. You also can put it in blue again. You can put your logo. All the information comes here. You can do both also the elevation or the 3D view to print. And if you want to export the 3D, you can share this model to Sketchfab, and then it will start exporting the files, and then you can see it online. So you can click under this movie. So if you want to have a closer look at this model, you can click on the link below, and then you can zoom in to see the brackets and the bolts. And again, you always can contact us to have a personal demo. Thank you for watching.